We're making a farm tour today, and we're gonna start out here at the shed. Got the shed, combine. Here's our buggy from what's it called? Go up. Then here's our seed. Dyna Grow, Pro Box of soybeans. Here's all our spray. Baler, Premier 5400, and then you got the pasture. You got one of my cows right here. Hello. And there's the other. Then here's his mama. Her mama. Here's the header. Feed bin. You got the sprayer right here, just got it out. Once you come over here, you got our grain bin. Haven't got the fan put in yet, but we'll get around to that. And you got the unloading auger over here. You got the ladder. Goes up there. 2,500 bushel bin. Don't forget to like and subscribe.